If Firefox shows a profile missing or corrupt error on Windows, yeah, that means your user profile data is damaged or cannot be loaded. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. Sometimes this is just a temporary loading glitch in the system. Next, open Task Manager and end all Firefox processes. Leftover background processes can block profile loading. Now open the Firefox Profile Manager. Yeah, this helps you check if your profile still exists or is corrupted. Next, create a new Firefox profile. This is the fastest way to fix a broken or missing profile issue. Now set the new profile as default. Firefox will use this clean profile to start normally again. If your old profile still exists, you can try recovering bookmarks and passwords. Yeah, sometimes only part of the profile is corrupted. Next, make sure Firefox is fully updated. Older versions can sometimes trigger profile loading errors. Now check your disk for errors. Corrupted storage sectors can damage Firefox profile files. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Firefox. Yeah, this resets all browser components and fixes deep profile corruption. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the Firefox profile missing or corrupt error and get your browser working again.